Hi, I'm Jim. This is my second video. I'm going to try an unboxing video. After my first video, I was just holding the camera out, just having to hold it out, pointing it at me like this. That was uncomfortable, and I didn't have a place to set it on. Right now, I've got my iPad propped up against a bookend. So I ran out to Fry's, local retail store, and picked up a couple of items here. I didn't research ahead of time, but this one is the Joby GripTight GorillaPod Pro tablet, and this is the GripTight Mount Pro. So set this aside. I just want to be able to take videos for YouTube. Little stuff that nobody ever cares about in there. And so this one included both this little Gorilla stand tripod and this tablet holder. So I'm using my iPad, but here's an old Android I have. So I guess that would go in here like this, or maybe the other way around. I don't know. I guess it doesn't matter. Make sure. See, I can't even see it in the camera right now. I'll have to figure out how to do that better too. So yes, I'm just starting. I know this is not like high quality, but I figured I could go ahead and make videos now and learn how to make better videos as I go. If you'd like to come along with me, go and subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll get better at this and show you what I'm doing. Anyway, so I got to figure out how to clamp that down. But that'll hold it like that, and that will screw on here. I don't know if you can see that high up. And these things twist so you can I hope to be able to mount it. They show pictures of you mounting on a rail and bending this around a rail to hold it outside of the park or something. I'm wondering if I could bend it to hold on to a shelf or something inside the house while I'm shooting. Like if this were a shelf. I hadn't quite figured it out, but it's versatile, right? Not just a tripod. And it'll straighten out. And instead of holding the phone like this and shooting, I could mount it. And that's what this is for tablets. But I did get the other mount here for the phones. So that'll go on here just like the tablet one would. Try to do that where you can see it, sorry. And then my phone. Hi, this is Jim. I had to stop my last video to figure out how to work this the sizing of these. So this is a continuation of unboxing where I figured out how to put this together with my various devices. I brought an additional Surface Pro here, Nexus 7 for a mini tablet. My iPad is recording this right now, otherwise I'd have it on here, right? And my Pixel 3, and I've also got an iPhone 7, I think this is. There are two twist controls. This one here, here's the part that screws onto the GorillaPod. So, move the GorillaPod out of the way. So this long handle controls the tilt. And the short handle controls, it loosens both the rotation and the up and down. That's what confused me at first, is it does both. So to put my phone in there, I'll clamp it down. Maybe I want to move it so it doesn't hit the volume button. I might want to take it out of the ring. No, that should be okay. Or maybe I should put it in this way. Oh, this way works better. So I've got the screen facing that, and that's fitting better for me. But I could also take off. I've got like a bumper ring around this. Oh, it's got a case. I could take the case off if I wanted to, but and then I just tightened it up, and now that's in there nice and tight. And then I could mount this on the GorillaPod. And yeah, I'll probably want to figure out how to turn that around, because that's having my screen like that might not be the best way to do it. But then I'll be able to video myself. I'm going to try it the other way around again. And it's still a bit thick. If I took it out of the case, it'd fit better. Well, in any case, let me pick the iPhone, which I do not have a case on it right now. Making sure I don't clamp down on the volume controls. Alright, so that fits really well. And my Pixel would fit better if I just took off the case. Now, an interesting thing is there's this phone size clamp, and then I bought these together. This is the tablet size. This is actually too big for my Nexus 7 tablet. So this won't clamp down far enough to hold it this way, and it won't widen up enough to hold it vertically. So this, for all tablets, it says, does not work with the Nexus 7. However, the iPad mini I checked online is bigger, so this should work fine with an iPad mini, because the iPad mini is a little bit bigger, about 20 millimeters this way, than this Nexus 7. My iPad is busy recording, but I do have a Surface, and this one I'd like to center it, but the camera's in the middle, so I want to make sure when I put this on, the camera can peek through, the rear-facing camera. So there's a little tab here I can squeeze with, and then tighten that little thumb there. And now it's on there pretty strongly. And then I can attach the GorillaPod. And there, now I've got my big vlogging thing if I want to use this. So we could turn my camera on. Hello, where are you? Well, there's me. Hello. I must have covered the back. Oh, I did. Oh, when I turn, okay. When I readjusted this, I got it off center. So again, the Surface, because on the Surface, the camera's right there in the middle. Now my iPad, the camera would be over here. Yeah, no, over here. No, over here. Anyway, but with the camera in the middle, I got to make sure. Hello again. The camera can peek through. Now I can see my wall, and there's my J. Yay. Anyway, so that's the GorillaPod, a GorillaPod tripod. So now, next video, I'll have a more steady platform which to film myself or something else with, or I could carry this around vlog style. My camera without the case on would fit there well, or the iPhone. And again, thanks for watching. I'll continue to get better stuff and show you what I'm doing and show you how I'm getting better. So hope to see you soon.